Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Jimmy believed that using a leash is not essential for dog safety. He argued that many dogs are well trained and can behave well without one. In his experience, he saw dogs that were obedient and always stayed close to their owners, even without a leash. He felt that responsible pet owners could trust their dogs to listen to commands and stay safe without being restricted by a leash. Moreover, Jimmy pointed out that leashes can sometimes cause stress for dogs. He believed that dogs should have the freedom to explore and enjoy their surroundings. When dogs are on a leash, they might feel anxious or confined. Jimmy often took his dog to open fields where they could run freely. He felt that allowing dogs to move freely helps them develop confidence and happiness. Lastly, Jimmy emphasized that in safe areas like dog parks or quiet neighborhoods, leashes are not necessary. He thought that as long as the environment is secure, dogs can play and socialize without being on a leash. Jimmy argued that trusting dogs in safe spaces allows them to enjoy life more fully and helps them socialize with other dogs better. For him, freedom was an important part of a dog's happiness. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.